Okay, good evening ladies and gentlemen. The Four-Decade Duo once again with Songs of Love and Life. And tonight, ang hirap humanap ng kantang nababagay sa minamalat na boses. At kaya naman daw kahirap, nakahanap din po kami. Isang awitin po mula kay Cat Stevens that goes out sa lahat ng mga tatay at anak na lalaki. A song entitled Father and Son. It's the time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl to settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to become when you found something's going on. But take your time, think a lot, think of everything you've got. You will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not.
How can I try to explain? When I do, it turns away again. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I had to go away. I know I had to go.
It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl to settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy.
All the times that I cried, keeping all the things I knew inside. It's hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, I agree, but it's them, they know, not me. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go.
So this is from Cat Stevens, a song called Father and Son. Father and Son. Good night, everyone.